Now this is why I was rushing to clean up, because Raven, I know she wasn't finished sleeping. Maybe she was bit by a mosquito. That's why she screamed out. So I've been with her on me for the past hour. I even need to use the bathroom right now, but I don't want to put her down because she didn't sleep well last night. Neither did I, because she was congested. She's breathing now through her nostrils, so I'm so glad that she's doing a whole lot better. So that was the reason why for her to be very, fussy in her sleep. So because of that, she wants to sleep. She's really tired, so I'm allowing her to sleep. But I was, that's why I was trying to rush to see how much I can get done, because I know this is her style. This is how she's gonna have me. She is currently having some rash, so I'm thinking I may try and change her formula, because I noticed for the past week or so she's been having a reaction, more over like 2 weeks. It's not consistent, but every now and then every time she drinks her formula or so, she has a reaction, like she poo, and I'm like, is she getting allergic to the formula? Or sometimes maybe she's gassy because she doesn't eat on time, or she don't drink tea on time. So I'm like trying to figure it out. So I need to get like a Desitin, because I have the A&D, but the A&D is very oily, so I want to get the Desitin. So I want to get it tomorrow, so that's why I'm putting out the effort to do most of my cleanup today. I don't have any laundry to do, so I'm it's gonna be easier for me to just reset today, because I'm cleaning up. I have the mats in the kitchen to wash, and Robin's uniform that she wore this week. That is all. Can you believe it? Oh my god. So tomorrow, and so my Saturday and Sunday would be easier, and I'm trying to stick to this routine as much as I can to do most of my cleaning, laundry, and whatever I can from Friday. If I can't do everything on Friday, I do most of it on Friday. So Saturday and Sunday, don't stress me out. So yeah, so tomorrow, Saturday, I can go on the road. If I can make it to the park based on the weather condition, that would be great. So at least I can get a little time to have some fun, because we haven't had that in quite a while now, maybe like over 2-3 weeks or more. So, and then get the Desitin for her, and if I need to pick up any grocery, because it's new school week coming up, so we need to top up on a few little things. Robin is gonna be home soon. By then she's gonna be up and active, because once Robin is here, she's ready to play and tear down the place. So look at her, she's so cute. And I also need to comb her hair. I want to comb her hair. So let me see what else I have to do today. I need to comb her hair. I have all the laundry that I did piled on top of the bed, so I need to put those away, comb her hair, and just finish wiping out the house, because I already cleaned up the kitchen, washed the dishes and all. So that's what's going to happen. I think we're going to put up the Christmas tree maybe Sunday. I think Sunday is a perfect day to put up the Christmas tree, because Sunday is more nice, calm, chill. Maybe girls can have ice cream or something. I want to buy Robin been wanting to make a cake, but me can't make cake right now because me know some guests are gonna finish. I think he's gonna finish this week, so I have to wait until I get the new guests. I bake a cake, but one of those cake, the premix, they are the easy make cake that come in the pack that you just dish out and just mix up and just put in the oven. I want to do that with her because she's been asking to do things like those. So I'm kind of focused on, trying to get control of all the things that I have to do in the daytime, so I can do more fun things with the girls. I have plans for that for 2025, because this year has been pretty much me just trying to catch up, create a routine, try to balance life, motherhood, life, get my life on track, and getting into content creation. That's pretty much what's been going on. So I've been so flustered. Last night I was like, oh my god, I'm so tired, and Robin has exam, and I was sitting there doing something on the computer while she was studying, while I was feeding Raven, and I was just looking. I was like I stepped out of my body for a minute and kind of started looking at all three of us at the table, and Robin looked at me and be like, "Mommy, are you tired?" I'm like, "Yes." She's here. I said, "Yes, baby, Mommy is so tired because I'm focusing on what I'm doing on the laptop, but I'm feeding Raven, and then I'm ensuring Robin, does her her spelling words, to practice with her, giving the words to spell, ensuring that she pronounces them correct. And I'm like, how are we equipped this way as mothers to be able to function like that? And even while I'm doing all those 3 things, I'm thinking about bath time, bedtime, preparing for school the next day. I'm like, dear Lord, Jesus, whatever strength you've given us already to manage this, please to multiply it a little bit more, because sometimes it really do get overwhelming, and I'm just ready to tap out. So I'm, focused on trying to get things sorted so I cannot be as edgy as I am sometimes. Because sometimes I shout at Robsy, and when she goes to bed, I cry to myself and be like, God, just please, help me to stay on top of things so I can, create a more control and give more time to her. Because sometimes, to be honest to you, even as much she is so independent, she helps herself a lot, and I think because of that I allow her to do a lot more than she's supposed to, and I want to be more involved with her, to especially like some mornings she's like, Mommy, can you help me brush my teeth? And I'm like, no, go brush your teeth yourself. And then after she's left for school, I'm like, did I really just say that? Did I really tell her to brush her teeth? And she'll cry, and I'm like, oh my God. So it's good to reflect. Like, one of the best things is being aware of what's actually going on, take accountability, reflect on your day, see what's going on, and put actions into play how you can correct it. Because we're all humans. Motherhood don't come with no manual. No matter how you want to give advice to somebody, how to do this and how to parent it. It's not easy 1, 2, 3. You get what I'm saying? So it's good when you can take a step back and look at yourself and see what you've done during the daytime. All right. Okay. Look who is home. Look who is home, guys. Who is home? Guys, you missed the sweetest little moment outside. I wasn't vlogging, but we went outside to meet Robsy, and Robsy came and Raven said hi, and Raven hugged her. She stretched her hands to hug Robsy.
No, she said hi, and
then they did like that. I was like, oh my God, she's like, she knows exactly, right? She knows exactly how to express herself. You see her mood? Guys, she was just in my hands. This, like,
it's because I tickled her.
She want to put on your shoes. You want to put shoes? Where are you going?
School.
You look so crazy. I'm happy sister is here, so mommy can go and fix up the room and then get to comb your hair. She just had tea, boo boo.
I didn't know.
That's why I'm telling you.
No, because she's just there, so doing this. I want her to laugh.
Okay. Good job.
And I want her to make sure that she's happy.
She's happy. You're such a good big sister. How was today? How was your test?
Good.
Good?
It says me.
What is me?
It says me. That means I got it.
Yeah? What is that? What does that mean?
So if teacher called my name, that means I got it right.
Oh yeah? So teacher called the names?
Yep.
What did you spell photosynthesis? No, stethoscope. How you spell it?
S-T. I can't remember.
Pronounce. It's not about remembering, it's pronouncing. Stethoscope.
S-T-E-T-H-O-S-C-O-P-E.
Good job. Hey, good job. High five, Pookie. Pookie, high five.
What else?
Yay, good
What
job.
else,
Spell
Mommy?
rat. Spell rat.
And guess what? I didn't look at no paper.
Good job. Proud of you. Super proud.
I said car.
So today is the last day of testing up. So that means somebody gets to go on their phone and play Roblox. You get a break now.
But Monday is school.
Yeah, Monday is school, and then school is gonna be on holiday soon. So you're gonna have Christmas holiday. I think I can maybe braid your hair then, because you're not gonna go back to school until January.
Yeah. And then January is my birthday, 11.
Yeah. What's in your mouth?
I like when it's my birthday so I can be happier.
Yes.
This is happy. This is happy. This is happier, but
This is happy.
this is happier. No,
No.
this is happy. And my birthday, no, the Christmas is
Happier.
happier, and my birthday is the happiest.
Yes. This Raven is so silly. Like, why she put that thing? She put that around her neck because she want. Are you Superwoman? Go, Raven, go. Fly, Raven. Go, Raven, go, go. You Superwoman? That's your cape? Go, Raven, go. 1, 2, 3, and she's off. Woo! Oh there. Hey guys, so that's gonna be it for the night. I am about to go have myself a shower, but I'm just cleaning up the bathroom
I like this here.
because
I like this here.
Hi baby, do you like her hair? Robin said she liked Raven's hair. You can't go up there, baby.
Look cute.
Yeah, tomorrow I comb yours.
I want it like that.
You want it like that, but you can't wear beads because you don't wear beads to school. But I'll
No,
twist it up.
no. For the for just the weekend.
No, I'm not gonna waste my time to put in no beads for just 2 days. Get down, Raven.
I just do it. Just do that.
Get down. Why are you fighting me? Get down. No, no up. No up. I'm about to go shower, guys, and call it a night for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I think I was doing some chatting here and there somewhere, but I'm tired, y'all, and I need to get me some rest because otherwise I'm going to get so flustered, and I need to get these kids into bed. So clean up time and rest time for mommy. Until next time, see you guys.